Most students are asking their parents for money in 2026. If that sounds like you, then this video might help you. Don't worry. You can do this as a side hustle. Many students are making $500, $5,000, even $50,000 a month. You only need a laptop and internet. And some of these methods start paying within 7 days. These are absolutely free to start and beginner-friendly. Let's get into it. 1. Freelancing. Here's what most students don't realize. Writing, editing, designing. These aren't hobbies. These are paid skills. Someone out there is hiring for exactly what you do. Start on Fiverr or Internshula. 1 profile, 1 service, 1 sample project to show, even if it was never paid work. Your first client cares less about your experience and more about how confidently you present yourself. Charge lower for your first few projects to get reviews fast. Once people trust your profile, raise your prices. Create your Fiverr profile today. It only takes 20 minutes. If you want a complete tutorial on creating an account on Fiverr, check out my video. YouTube/content creation. Here's something YouTube doesn't tell you. You don't need to have 1,000 subscribers to make money. While everyone else is waiting to hit 1,000 subscribers, smart students are already earning through affiliate links, micro-sponsorships, and digital products, sometimes from their very first video. Your niche is your power. A small channel about one specific topic attracts the exact audience brands want to reach. That's worth money, even at 500 subscribers. Create your YouTube channel today or maybe this week. The next method is the easiest way to make money. Online tutoring. This one is sitting right under your nose. It's a hidden opportunity for many students. This is also the easiest. Online tutoring. Not the boring, sit-in-a-room kind. The kind where you open your laptop, teach for an hour, close it, and check your bank account. Trust me, this one is a golden opportunity. Here's what makes this powerful. You don't need a teaching degree. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to be 1 chapter ahead of whoever you're teaching, and as a student, you already are. Someone out there is failing the exact subject you passed last year. They need you, and they will pay you for it. Vedantu, Superprof, Chegg, all free. Every subject you've ever passed, math, English and science. You're already qualified to teach it to someone younger. 2 tutoring sessions a week, that's pocket money. 5 sessions, that's rent money. All built around your own timetable. Post 1 tutoring offer on your WhatsApp status or Instagram story right now. See what happens in 24 hours. Selling digital products/notes. This one might be the smartest passive income method for any student. Selling digital products. Specifically, your notes, summaries, and study guides. Here's what makes this different from everything else on this list. You've already done the work. Those notes sitting in your phone or laptop right now. Someone is Googling for exactly that, and willing to pay for it. Convert them to PDF. Price them between $5 and $10. List them on Gumroad or Instamojo. Both are completely free. Promote in student Telegram groups and WhatsApp communities. 1 good notes PDF can sell hundreds of times. You make it once. It earns while you sleep. Pick your best subject notes. PDF them. List on Gumroad today. It only takes 10 minutes. Affiliate marketing. This one works even if you have 0 followers. You recommend a product or service, someone buys through your link, and you get a commission. No product to create. No customer to handle. Just a link. Amazon, Flipkart, and hundreds of apps have free affiliate programs. The key is recommending things you actually use. Your phone. Your earphones. Your favorite study app. Recommend them the way you'd recommend them to a friend. That authenticity is what makes people click. Sign up for Amazon Associates today. Free. takes 10 minutes. Share your first link this week. If this helped you, subscribe.